So how do you fix your credit score quickly? The first thing is, stop fighting your phone company. So here's a quick scenario for you. Bell has overcharged you $200 on your monthly bill, and you've been fighting them for over 6 months. You're making your regular monthly payment, but you're not going to pay them a penny more than what they feel you owe them. The problem here is this is killing your credit score, and eventually you're going to pay thousands of dollars more in interest for everything from car loans to mortgages. The solution here is to pay that bill to zero today and then keep on fighting them. You can win, and your credit score will thank you. The second thing is check your credit report for errors. So it's common knowledge in the mortgage industry that 1 in 3 Canadians have an error on their report. And this could be anything from someone with the same name having an account reporting to your profile, all the way to outright fraud or identity theft. So the solution here is to order a copy of your personal credit report and to go over it with a fine-tooth comb or with a financial professional in order to get some clarity. The third thing is don't max out your credit cards. So there's not really a great understanding out there as to how much of your credit you use each month and how it affects your credit score. A quick example is you have a bank credit card of $10,000. However, you're using between $9,000 and $10,000 of your available credit each month. This is hurting your score. Lastly, keep that old credit count alive. So there's a great temptation to cut up that first account that you've had in lieu of that shiny new card offer that came in with the points or the incentive program. But don't be fooled. This old account is the pillar on which your credit stands. So what you need to do is keep that account alive, show it some love, even use it once in a while and pay it off, and then your credit score is going to keep you smiling for years to come. My name is Michael Smele, and I've been working with mortgages and credit for over 10 years. I will save you time and money. You can access my Common Sense Lender Network and find me at mortgagetruth.ca or looking at the contact information on the screen.